Looking for the perfect slow cooker for easy homemade meals? In today's video, we're checking out the top 4 best kitchen slow cookers of 2026 that can help you cook delicious one-pot meals with less effort and more flavor. From smart multi-cookers to large family-size options, these picks are packed with useful features for busy kitchens. And if you want to learn more or grab one for yourself, all product links are in the description box below. Now, let's dive into the list. Number 4. Crock-Pot 7-Quart Manual Slow Cooker. The Crock-Pot 7-Quart Manual Slow Cooker makes cooking big family meals simple and stress-free. With a large 7-quart capacity, it can serve more than 8 people or fit a 6 to 7 pound roast with ease. Just add your ingredients, choose the high or low setting, and let it cook slowly while you handle your day. The warm setting keeps food ready to serve until mealtime. Its removable stoneware pot works in the microwave and oven up to 400 degrees, adding extra convenience for busy kitchens. Cleanup is easy too, since both the lid and stoneware are dishwasher safe. The stainless steel finish with black accents gives it a clean, modern look that fits nicely in any kitchen. It's a practical and affordable way to enjoy warm, homemade meals every day. Number 3. Ninja 14-in-1 Possible Cooker. The Ninja 14-in-1 Possible Cooker Pro is a powerful all-in-one cooker made for busy kitchens and large meals. With its roomy 8.5 quart capacity, it can prepare enough food for family dinners, parties, or meal prep with ease. This versatile cooker replaces 14 different kitchen tools and offers 8 cooking functions, including slow cook, steam, bake, sous vide, braise, and proof. You can sear meat and sauté vegetables directly in the pot, saving time and reducing extra dishes. The removable nonstick pot is oven-safe up to 500 degrees, making it easy to finish meals with a crispy top. Triple fusion heat technology helps cook food faster than a regular oven. It also includes a handy spoon ladle and dishwasher-safe glass lid for quick cleanup. Stylish, practical, and easy to use, it's built to handle almost any recipe. Number 2. All-Clad Stainless Steel Electric Slow Cooker. The All-Clad Stainless Steel Electric Slow Cooker 7-Quart is a stylish and practical kitchen appliance made for easy family cooking. Its large 7-quart capacity is perfect for preparing soups, roasts, stews, and other meals for gatherings or busy weeknights. The cooker includes 4 preset modes, including low, high, high-low, and an automatic keep warm setting that keeps food ready to serve for up to 6 hours. The removable aluminum insert heats quickly and can be used on the stovetop or in the oven, giving you more cooking flexibility. A clear LCD screen makes it simple to monitor cooking time and settings. The stainless steel lid helps lock in heat and moisture for rich flavor and tender results. With dishwasher-safe parts and a sleek silver finish, this slow cooker combines convenience, performance, and modern kitchen style in one easy-to-use appliance. Number 1. Green Pan Elite Non-Stick 6-Quart Electric Slow Cooker. The Green Pan Elite 14-in-1 Non-Stick 6-Quart Electric Slow Cooker is a versatile multi-cooker designed to make everyday cooking easier and healthier. With a large 6-quart capacity, it's perfect for family meals, parties, or meal prep. This cooker includes 14 one-touch presets for slow cooking, steaming, baking, sautéing, rice cooking, reheating, and more. Its PFAS-free ceramic nonstick coating is infused with diamonds for extra durability and easy food release. You can brown meat and sauté vegetables directly in the pot, saving time and reducing dishes. The removable hard anodized pot heats quickly, works with metal utensils, and is dishwasher safe for simple cleanup. A stainless steel steamer and tempered glass lid add even more cooking options. With its sleek black design and user-friendly controls, this Green Pan cooker brings convenience, flexibility, and healthy cooking together in one powerful appliance.